Good evening everyone. In this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. So first discuss about the past analysis performance, that is which we have discussed on Friday for today's session. So in today's session the market has made a high of 18,004 and it made a low of 17,818. So if we see these levels, so market took resistance at this 18,001 level and it made a low of this 17,818. So it hit the downside daily target, that is 17,854 level, and it went further 30 points below this downside daily target. But we missed our extreme target in today's session. So overall in today's session market has given good profits in Nifty 50. So this is about our past analysis performance, and let's jump into the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So let's change this into hourly time frame. So in previous analysis video I have explained about this head and shoulder pattern, and it was about to form, that is market made it this left shoulder and again this head, and again it is about to form this right shoulder, and we thought about a small retracement up to this 17,960 or 18,000 levels, and again from there market can come down. In today's session market has made a high of 18,004 levels, and again from there market market took reversal, and again it closed below this 17,966 levels. I explained about these levels in previous analysis video, and these are markings from the same point, that is 17,966 and 17,923 levels, and these are the support and resistance point for today's session. So market again closed below the 17,966 level, and in overall in today's session it completed this head and shoulder pattern, and even it has given a good breakout in head and shoulder pattern. And if we draw a trend line from this low and connecting all these lows, the trend has completed. Whatever this correction or uptrend is there, this trend has been completed, and even after after completing this trend, market has formed a good reversal pattern, that is head and shoulder pattern, and again at the same time the market has given a good confirmation about this trend reversal, that is from uptrend to downtrend, by forming a head and shoulder pattern. At the same time it has break this upper trend line. So in tomorrow's session these two levels, that is 17,866 and 17,823 levels, will be acting as a support and resistance level, and initially the market can go up because the market has given a good breakout, and from there we can expect some kind of retracement up to 17,890 or 888 level, and from there we can see a good fall in the Nifty 50. If not up to 17,890 levels, at least we can expect a retracement up to the 17,866 levels. If the market directly opens a gap up opening, then we can expect a good profit booking, and from there we can see a good fall in the Nifty 50. Initially the market can halt at this 17,823 level because previously it took support at this level only, and after breaking this 17,823 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 17,736 level. So this will be our first target, and even if we calculate this head length from this neckline, then we can estimate a fall up to the 17,560 or 550 levels. And same these lines, this green line, we can see a green line or this black line. So these levels are coinciding with the downside target of this head and shoulder pattern. So as the levels are coinciding with the previous support level, then this level will be acting as a major support, because both this 17,560 level is acting as an area of confluence. So we need to wait until the market closes below this 17,823 level. That is our first criteria. And if the market closes below this level in lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame or 3 minutes time frame, or at least in 50 minutes time frame, then we can take short positions in the Nifty 50. So I have discussed about this downside downside targets and the upside targets. Upside targets mostly will be like 17,923, and most probably market can go up to this maximum up to the 17,923, and again market can come down from this 17,923 for tomorrow's session. So coming to the trade setup for today's session, in today's session the market has opened gap up opening, and eventually market closed down below this support level, and from there again market went up, and again it closed above this resistance line, but the market couldn't sustain above this level for at least 20 minutes. Even not for 20 minutes the market couldn't sustain above this level, and again market moved sideways by taking this resistance line as a midpoint. So when the market came below this resistance line and it is taking this level as a resistance point for 2 or 3 times consecutively, I thought market can come down because already I have explained that market can go down in today's session because market has formed a like a bearish candle setup in higher time frame, that is in hourly time frame. So as per my technical analysis and as per my sentiment and my conviction, I started taking my put options like over here and over here, and I was waiting for a market to fall down. So and I placed a stop loss at this 18,009 or 18,010 level, and it was like 40 or 45 points of stop loss, and my downside like the daily target, my downside target was like my daily target and extreme target. So I was waiting for extreme target to hit, but market couldn't reach our extreme target in today's session, but it took support at our daily target, and market even went further, but it couldn't sustain below that level, and eventually market came up to the 7,847 level. And when the market when the market in today's session, when the market breached our downside daily target, I booked partial profit and I was waiting to hit for the extreme target. But when the market again closed above this our daily downside daily target, I completely booked my like positions, and I exited from the market in today's session, that but that too before 3 o'clock only. So this is about my trade setup in Nifty 50. And coming to the individual levels in Nifty 50, in today's session the market has closed at 17,844 levels, and if the market is trying to move up, this 17,866 levels will be acting as a good resistance point. And if the market is trying to move downwards, this 17,823 levels will be acting as a good support point. So these levels will be acting as a central range, and if the market has to go up, then the market has to close above this level for at least 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Or if the market has to come down, the market has to sustain below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then only we can expect the market to go up to the 17,937 levels, and we can consider this level as a daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 18,029 level, and this will be our extreme target. And if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,755, and this will be our daily target, and the 17,665 levels will be acting as an extreme target. So like this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and already have drawn the levels in our chart also. So this thick lines, here you can see thick red and green lines. So this thick red and green lines are support and resistance point for tomorrow's session, and I already have explained about this. So these dotted lines are like these are support and resistance points for today's session. So this will be support and resistance point for tomorrow's session, and these lines will be for today's session. So just for clarification, I have explained you once again. So coming to the Bank Nifty. So in today's session, the Bank Nifty had made a high of 41,292, and it made a low of 40,580. So it just took resistance at this 41,298, and even this is also a fourth target point. And even in Bank Nifty, it took even in Nifty it took resistance at fourth target point only. And from there, market eventually came down, and it market sustained below this level for more than 30 minutes, and eventually it hit both our downside daily targets and our extreme target also. So overall, in today's session, Bank Nifty has given good profits of more than 500 points fall. So if you have entered at the correct point of time, you can book at least 300 to 350 points in today's session. So we can't book 100% of the points which has fall from upper point to lower point, but we can definitely make a decent amount of profits in each and every day. So this is about our past analysis performance. So coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. So we can see this dotted line. So this is about the support and resistance point for today's analysis. So market sustained in this range for 2 hours in today's session. Market tried to close above this resistance point, but the market couldn't sustain above this level in first 1 hour candle, and overall it formed a doji candle, long leg doji candle, and after that it formed a good bearish candle. And we all know that once after forming a doji candle, if the body of the doji candle has been breached, and if it closes below the body of the candle, or if it closes above the body of the candle, then we can expect a good fall or good rally. So based upon that rule, the second candle has formed a good bearish candle, and it closed below this doji candle's body, then we can expect a good fall in the Bank Nifty. And even then it took like more than 2 hours to break below this 41,072 mark. Once the market has closed below this 41,072, we can see a good fall in the Bank Nifty. And as per our previous analysis, we already explained that market can fall up to this doji candle's lowest point, and market exactly took support at that point only, and from that market reversed up. So coming to the tomorrow's analysis, if the market tries to move up, then market can take support at this 40,875 level, and even if the market like if market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 41,072. And even in yesterday's video I have discussed about this level, and in today's session the market took exactly support at this point for two times. This was like on Friday session, and this was like in today's session that bearish candle took support at this point only, and even this doji candle took support at that point only, and finally it broke below that support point, and it fall more than 200 points in the coming towards session. So this is about the like upside targets. And coming to the downside targets, if the market retraces like few points up to this 40,860, and if the market turns around from this point, and if the market finally breaks this support point, then we can expect the further fall up to this 40,107 level, and this will be our final target for tomorrow's session, because there is almost like 600 points or 500 points for tomorrow's session. So 600 to 500 points is a decent fall in bank nifty, and we can easily make good profits. So 500 to 600 points rally or fall in bank nifty is a decent movement, and we can't consider that one as an volatile session. If the market moves more than 1000 points or 1500 points or 1300 points, then we can definitely consider as an volatile session. So 500 to 600, and it's a decent move in bank nifty. So this is about the technical analysis of bank nifty. And coming to the trade setup for today's session, so I have changed this to 1 minute time frame. So market is trying to move upside continuously, but the market couldn't sustain above this resistance level, and eventually came down into this central zone, and finally the market given a good breakout at this 41,073 level. So initially I thought even after breaking this downside, even after closing on the lower levels, I thought a market can go up and go up into this central zone once again, but the market took resistance at this support point. Again market came down, and even for the second time also market took this support as a resistance point, and again market came down. And when I thought of taking entry when the market can go up a partial retracement, and again market can come down, market is coming down. So when I was waiting for a retracement, I started taking partial entries, and whenever market is trying to move up, I took the small entries, and again when the market made a high, and all these entries made into my full entry. And after that I kept my stop loss at this level, that is 41,155 level. That is almost 70 or 80 points of my stop loss. So in the midpoint of this central range, if the market comes into this central range, and this midpoint will be acting as my stop loss, like 41,175 levels. And from there market came eventually downside, and my downside target was like my daily target and my extreme target, which I mentioned already in my initial level analysis. So yeah, when the market hit the daily target, I booked my partial profits, and when the market hit my extreme target, I completely booked my profits or my positions in the bank nifty, and I came out of the market. So this is about my technical and my trade setup for nifty, bank nifty for today's session. So these levels will be acting as an trade setup for tomorrow's session. If the market closes above this level, then we can go for a long position. If the market closes below this level, then we can go for short position. And already market is coming from this resistance point, then we can expect a fall up to this at a support point initially, and from there if the market turns up, then we need to wait until this 40,764 levels to break. Or if the market takes support and if the market goes sideways, and if the market closes below this 40,642, then we can happily take short positions, and we can keep stop loss like at the midpoint of this central range, or at least above this resistance point. So this is about my trade setup of bank nifty. And coming to the individual levels of bank nifty, in today's session the market has closed at 40,701, and if the market is trying to move up, this 40,764 levels will be acting as a good resistance point. And on the downside, if the market is trying to move down, this 40,642 levels will be acting as a good support point. So these two levels will be acting as a central range, which I have discussed just now in the chart. So if the market closes above this level and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a rally up to this 40,968, and this will be our daily target. And if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 40,451, and this will be our daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, this 40,200 levels will be acting as an extreme target on the downside, and this 41,235 levels will be acting as an extreme target on the upside. So this is about the technical analysis and individual level analysis and past analysis, and at the same time trade setup. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any doubts or any queries, then you can definitely ask me directly through the comment section, or you can contact me through the social media platforms also, as well. And so let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Hind.